If you love seafood and you're looking for something with bold flavor, then you've come to the right place. Tonight, we're making a Tex Mex Shrimp Cocktail. Also known as Bloody Mary Shrimp Cocktail, this recipe combines sweet succulent shrimp with fresh chopped cilantro, celery, red onions, and horseradish, mixed in with tomato juice, fresh squeezed lemon and lime juice, and Tito's homemade vodka from Texas. This refreshing and spicy appetizer is perfect for warm weather gatherings and special occasions. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. It's Tex Mex Shrimp Cocktail in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it.
My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking.
Tex Mex Shrimp Cocktail, also called Bloody Mary Shrimp Cocktail. This bold and spicy appetizer is made with succulent shrimp, parboiled in clam juice, and submerged in a cocktail sauce made from fresh ingredients and a splash of vodka handmade in Texas. Here's what you'll need to make this refreshing Tex-Mex treat. 2 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp, 2 stalks of chopped celery, 2 sprigs of chopped cilantro, 1/2 red onion chopped, 2 chopped jalapeno peppers or tricolor peppers, 1 diced avocado, 1/2 cup of ketchup, a tablespoon of seafood seasoning. We'll make ours from scratch by using salt, pepper, celery seed, oregano, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. A dash of Sriracha hot sauce, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of horseradish, a slice of lemon and lime for garnish, and the juice of 1 lemon and lime, a cup of clam juice, a cup of tomato juice, and 2 ounces of vodka. We'll get the shrimp ready first. Add the clam juice to a pot or pan and add in a pinch of the seafood seasoning. Bring it to a boil and then add in the shrimp. Cook the shrimp for about 2 minutes and then turn off the heat. Put the shrimp onto a plate to cool, but don't discard the clam juice. We'll use that as an ingredient. Next, we'll make the cocktail sauce. In a bowl, add in the chopped celery, cilantro, onion, avocado, peppers, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, horseradish, Sriracha sauce, clam juice, tomato juice, lemon and lime juice, seafood seasoning, and the vodka. Stir everything together. Add the shrimp to the cocktail sauce and stir everything together thoroughly. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and allow to chill in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. When the shrimp cocktail has had time to chill, scoop in a generous portion to a bowl or a large cup and garnish with a slice of lemon and lime and a celery stalk, and you're ready to serve. And there it is, Tex-Mex Bloody Mary Shrimp Cocktail. A bold and spicy appetizer that's full of flavor and downright refreshing. It's the perfect combination of seafood and the Old West. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.